see any wing slapping. Sometimes they get very mean. These are a very calm bunch. Some are more afraid of people. You know, this one is less afraid. Because it's Washington Square Park. You know, it's gonna be. They're just more calm, right? I don't want too many coming by. But they're aggressive. They'll shove at each other. I don't know. These are nice. They're nice, well fed. I like that one. That's all white feathers and stuff. This brown one is really fun too.
That's what is. This is
oh, they're gonna have fun with that piece of bread. But their beaks are kind of soft, right? They gotta.
Yeah, dude.
Well, they can pick, right? They can pick bread, though. I'm pretty sure.
Make sure just let that work together too.
Yeah, they just gotta work on it. They're just jumpy. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's got some bread. Oh, they're doing a good job. Oh, they're scared of now. It's a hawk.
Go up.
Oh. See, what's up with this one? Is it molting or it just got dirty? Why is it all like this? Is it molting? Or did he just get, he was cleaning himself in the oily water or something? Oh, they're all done with that rice already?
I'm supposed to get through the It's a screw. It's a screw.
Have it?
It's a screw.
We don't have anything but the screw. Oh, you see they're aggressive. That's kind of scary. Oh, you. He's landing on Julie. He's landing on you. Oh my God! Look at this. Julie. Look at these guys. This is so bad. They'll land on you if you want. Did you maybe have a picture? Look at these knuckleheads, man. Oh my God, I don't like this. What's up with this? There you go. Take a picture of this. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want them landing on me. They're hardcore, man. They just trust you, man. You want to try naming? No. I don't want to be the pigeon man, man. The pigeon man of Washington Square. That's what. Sorry. You gotta go wipe that off, sorry. Hey, it's not my fault.
It's your idea.
The guy just wanted to land on us. So it wasn't my idea, man. Yeah, it was landing. It was like landing all over, right? I hope no park rangers gets upset. Yeah, don't land on me, dude. No. Don't land on me. Take the shit in the pictures. This is funny. Maybe you want to try? Are you feeding? They'll land on your arm? Yeah.
No.
You sure?
No.
I'll take a picture of you. How about Mama's phone? Yeah.
No, I just don't want to kill the birds, so they're going to try to poop.
I don't know, they'll poop on you, but I'm not a big fan of them landing on me. What is that bird flu? Can pigeons have bird flu?
You do not want to get a
you want to hold on?
See it? Over down.
But they're fast. Look how fast they can. Yeah. Okay. Which is the one? I like that brown one. That one was nice. This one's a nice one. But these are just the classic pigeon. Look at these guys. Right? Look at this guy. He's just looking at it. They blink too. You ever seen that?
Yeah, they blink. Those are
Because they have eyelids and stuff. Some birds don't. Hey, you want to feed them? Is that it?
I just spit.
Yeah, you can feed it from there.
Stand by me.
I'm gonna come sit next to you. Okay, hold on.
Gotcha.
Hold a bunch in your hand. And
Why?
Because it's funny, huh? There you go.
Oh, hell no. Lower.
They're not afraid.
Lower. So we're stupid not to take a risk.
Okay, there you go. There you go.
It's too much, man. They're too close. They're very aggressive. They can be aggressive.
They're afraid of this thing, I think.
They think it's a weapon. Sitting on the bench. Oh, hell no.
Okay, no. Oh, he's not doing it. It's still strutting over there trying to.
See a few at the bench. Oh, there you go.
These guys are crazy. This guy's crazy. No. I don't want any more.
You should try to lift a pigeon.
Huh? Huh?
You should try to lift a pigeon. Like it's like you try to tame it.
It's funny. Huh?
So you try and tame it.
No, I don't want that. Don't want that. No, that's funny. Okay. They're gonna be pooping on my jacket.
Yeah,
No. No. All right, enough, dude. All right.
Oh, you just record the pictures on the bench.
They're just funny. This is crazy.
Did you see these pigeons like to touch each other?
You want to try it out? Julie, where's the cameras? I'm going to picture of Nathan holding a pigeon. Come on, you're not scared. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, David. You do it. Oh, here. Here, Julie. Where's your iPhone, Nathan? Julie. Get your iPhone out.
Mine.
I want to put one. Oh, get ready to take a picture. He's gonna put it on his hand and he's gonna land on it. Good job. What's this?
Just watch your feet.
He's gonna be like the Okay, come, we're gonna go to the park. Let's see the birdies.
See, it's flustered. They can't trust you or not because they're unfamiliar with my head. See, look at it. One of the birds got my finger.
Okay.
Bite me.
It won't hurt you.
It's too much, man.
You're scaring it now.
It's hard.